Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First watch need to watch this accuracy 70%. Okay, and this is awesome. But wait, I have need to show you a very important thing, because if you will use second indicator, the accuracy will increase from 70% to 95%. Just watch the complete video, do not miss any point, because here you can see this indicator. Let me show you this indicator. You give you the sell signal, but you do not need to open your sell position from this point. Okay, the second indicator give you the sell signal from this point. So this is your trade and need to take your profit when candle touch to the lower band line. Here you can see sell position, open your sell position from this point. Okay, let me repeat one more thing. Here the first simple over strategy giving you the sell signal, then you have need to open your position, sell position, when simple over 4.8 indicator will give you the sell signal. Okay, you got the first sell signal, simple over strategy sell signal, then you need to open your sell position from this point when simple over 4.8 indicator give you the sell signal. Okay, and need to take the profit when candle touch to the lower band line. Okay, let me show you some more details here. Here this is the buy signal, but remember I told you do not need to open your sell position, open your buy position. You need to wait for the buy position from simple hoga 4.8, and it give you the buy signal, and you can see it give you awesome profit. Okay, let me show you some more thing. Okay, okay, here you can see you got the sell signal, simple logo strategy give you the sell signal from this point. Let me show you. Here you got the sell signal, and now wait for the sell signal from simple logo 4.8, and it give you the sell signal, and you need to take your profit at this point. Okay, here you can see another example. When buy signal, need to wait for the buy signal from simple logo 4.8, and you got the buy signal. Now need to take your profit when candle touch to the upper band line. Simple strategy, very simple. Now watch the complete video, do not miss any point. Must like my video, must subscribe my channel. In this video I will give you the whole detail. I will give you the I will show you the all markets like forex, crypto, stock, indices, because this indicator work on all markets. Okay, either you are trading in forex, crypto, stock, indices, this indicator work on all markets. Okay, now you have watched the results in GBP USD, but remember, do not need to worry about anything. I show you the results in forex. Let me show you the results in gold. In the gold you are getting accuracy around 73%. Okay, but just like I mentioned, need sell signal, need to open your sell position from this point, and you can see you got some amazing profit. Buy signal, now need to open your buy position from this point when simple over 4.8 give you the buy signal, and you can see the results. Okay, this is another sell buy position, and hopefully it will give you the best profitable results. Okay, let me show you some more results here. Here you can see the buy signal. You need to wait for the buy signal, and here you got the buy signal. Okay, you got two type of buy signal. Now need to open your buy position, need to book your profit when you got the sell signal. Okay, or cannot touch to the upper band line, or you got the buy signal. That is same scenario, same thing, nothing. Okay, now here you can see open your sell position, need to book your profit. Again open your sell position, need to book your profit. Okay, two position and both give you the profitable results. Okay, let me show you some more results here. Here you can see the sell signal, but unfortunately you got the buy signal, so you do not need to take need to open your sell position. Here you can see that is not that sell signal. simple yoga strategy. Let me show you clearly, because I want to show you the all strategy and all details, because I cannot uh, send you the details one by one to all person, because most of the people contact me after publish my video, so I cannot reply to all person, and I cannot give you the all details to all people. So that's why I'm trying my best to give you the best explanation in the video. Just need to take the indicator from me and enjoy the profit. Okay, here you can see you got the sell position, and here you can see this sell signal is not profitable. This sell signal is not profitable. So what you have need to do, you have need to add second indicator. Second indicator will give you the buy. You need to wait after getting this sell signal. You have need to wait for simple yoga 4.8 sell signal, but you did not get. So this is how the second simple yoga 4.8 actually protecting you from the false signals. Okay, so you are getting around accuracy 95%. Okay, you can see from your eyes, I am not hiding anything. You can see from in the screen that I am showing you the details all. Okay, yes, I know I am weak in English, but I am trying my best to give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love it. Okay, here you can see that is so much profitable signal. Here you can see after getting buy signal, the first buy signal give you the profit, and the second buy signal give you the profit, and the third trade, and all the three trades gave you awesome profit. Okay, let me show you the some more detail. Here you can see, so that is clearly visible. And now let me show you the results in crypto market, then we will move further. Okay, I have to show you the results in crypto market. Here we have got the buy signal, and here you got the buy signal. So first trade, here you can see both signal, and book your profit. Another buy signal, and here you can see that give you the profit here. Okay, let me show you the sell signal. Where you got the sell signal? Here you got the sell signal, and here you can see. Let me show you the accuracy in the 58%. 58%, that is actually 60% accuracy is not so good, but it's good but not so good. Okay, you can say it's okay, accuracy is okay, but if you will bind second indicator, you can see you are getting accuracy more than 95%. Okay, here you can see after getting the sell signal, you can see the first sell signal profitable. Here you got another trade and profitable. Here you got another trade profitable, another trade and profitable. If you will got here, you can see this signal give you the profit, and here you can see that is also profitable trade, and that is also profitable trade. I have need to show you the false trade. Let me show you. Here you can see that is an example, clearly example. Here you can see clearly visible example. Here you can, if you will open your sell position, or if you will use only this indicator, simple strategy, like here you buy position, and here you can see this sell signal. So this buy signal is not profitable if you will follow only, if you will use only simple strategy. Okay, you can see buy signal is not profitable. This sell signal is giving you the profit, but again here you can see the sell signal, and here you can see that is a very small profit. But if you will combine second indicator, here you can see it's give you awesome profit. Okay, a buy signal, and here you can see the sell signal. Here you can see clearly example, you are getting more than 95% if you will combine both indicator. Okay, here you can see clearly example, and most profitable indicators I have need to show you more trades here. Yeah, you can see that is awesome. Okay, let me show you the results now. I have I show you the results in crypto market. Let me show you one more pair. In the BNP USDT, you are getting accuracy 75, that is awesome accuracy. but just like I mentioned, if you will combine both indicator, then definitely you are getting more and more accurate results. Okay, here you can see, I do not need to tell you, just watch from your eyes in your screen and enjoy. This is the most recent signal and this give you the profit here. Okay, no repaint, no lag, signal will come on the time, in time, and will not disappear. Okay, so the last question arises in your mind, that how you can add both indicator in your trading view chart, how you can get. Okay, so first I have need to show you how you can add the indicator in your trading view chart, because mostly people are new and they do not know how to add this indicator. So I will send you the script of this indicator. Let me show you here this indicator, simple logo strategy. I will give you the text file. You have need to copy, control A, control C, copy the code, then go click on Pine editor, and here you have need to control A, remove all the code. So paste my code and then click on add to chart. Your indicator will be okay. Just you need to do some setting here. Just go to the setting. Your resolution is 3 minutes, so we have need to select 4 hour. If you want to use 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute or 15-minute time frame, you have need to choose 4 hour. Okay, and if you want to use 30 minute, 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, you have need to select 1 day. Okay, you have need to select 1 day. So just click OK, and you will, here you can see the accuracy. And let me if you want to hide the support and resistance line, that is also okay. You can hide the support and resistance. Just go to the style and hide the line. Now the indicate the chart is very simple now. And now it's the same scenario, simple logo 4.8. Just go to the, I will give you the text file, and here at the end of the video I will tell you how you can get the indicator, how you can contact me to get this indicator. Control C, copy the code, control A, control C, then go to the Pine editor, then click new indicator, create new indicator, and control A, remove all the code first. You can see there is no code, then paste my code and then click on add to chart. Just need some changes and I have need to show you. Just now here click add to chart, and your indicator will be ready in just few seconds. And just few minor changes, let me show you. Go to the input and uncheck the table here, and uncheck the 3 influencing signal, and RSI 75. Okay, and then go to the uncheck the swing mode. Okay, and now the indicator is ready. Enjoy the profit. And how you can get contact me to get this indicator, let me show you. If you need my indicators, you can contact. My indicators are paid, just like I mentioned in my previous videos. In my all videos, my indicators are paid, not free of cost, but just in few dollars you will get my indicators. Okay, you can contact me on WhatsApp number, you can also contact me on my Telegram, or you can also contact me on my Gmail. If you remember, if you want to contact me on my Telegram, write one at the end must, because there are a lot of fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel. Okay, just personal contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. I give you the all explanation and hopefully you will like it. Now I have need to show you one more results in, because I have need to show you the results in stock SPY. And here go to the strategy tester, and here you can see 52%. That is not a good accuracy, but if you will combine both indicator, yes, here you can see buy signal, buy trade. Okay, and let me show you this sell signal, and here you can see, and our indicator protect you from this type of phase signal. And here you can see, let me show you, the buy signal and buy trade, and you can see the results. And here you can see the sell signal and sell trade, and it gives you the awesome result. Okay, so here you can see both indicators is giving you awesome accuracy. Like here, this one buy signal, this one sell signal, profitable. This one buy signal, first trade, second, third, and four. All the four trades are giving you profitable trade. Okay, so here you can see the indicator is working perfectly fine on all, either it's Indian market or it's crypto, stock, indices, future market. This indicator work on all pairs. Okay, let me show you the first. Go to the study tester and note results here. Let me show you the signal here. Here, no, unfortunately the indicator is not working on Indian market like Bank Nifty, but it will work perfectly fine on all pairs. Okay, except Bank Nifty, you will get all results. Okay, go to the study test and same, and Indian market is not working, but you can see, let me show you. You can use in Tesla stock. Let me show you some small stock like Tesla. Okay, you can see is working perfectly fine. And let me show you some other pair like okay, there are a lot of, let me show you. Okay, here you can see indicator is working perfectly fine and it is giving you the results. And let me funds, spy, I already show you. Futures, NQ. Okay, not working in NQ unfortunately. And let me show you. Yes, no, let me show you more. Forex, okay, working perfectly fine in the forex market. This indicator is working perfectly fine. Okay, 82%, that is awesome. Okay, in the OPUSD 70%. Okay, let me show you more results here. Here you can see the working perfectly fine. 85%, that is awesome. Okay, 80%, that is actually very good. 80%, 78.9%, that is actually a very good one. 82%, that is another good one. 80%, that is another good one. 75%, that is actually another good one. 70%, that is actually not a bad one. Okay, 85% here you can see around 85%, that is awesome. Okay, now hopefully you will love the indicators. Any further query you can ask me, and if you need my indicators you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Write one at the end must if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any query, any question you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care.